Hello kids, here I am again. I had a little issue with the sound of my previous video, so I want you please to follow me with the listening of the song Coldplay right now. Are you ready? One, two, three.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you. And all the things you do, and it was called Yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin rose, turn into something beautiful. But you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
Okay, as I was saying, you can continue practicing with the whole song. You have the lyrics, you can listen right now, and you please practice very much. And also, as I was previously mentioning, we can listen to the Native American video to know more information and to get to know what is this about. You can watch the video as many times as possible. Okay, you can also activate the subtitles. Then listen after 3 or 4 times. You can deactivate the subtitles and listen to the whole video. Okay, we can make the screen bigger and start with the recording.
Americans, also known as American Indians, Indigenous Americans, and other terms, are the indigenous people of the United States except Hawaii. The name Indian was given by Christopher Columbus, who mistakenly believed he had landed in the Indies. The history of Native Americans in the U.S. began in ancient times, tens of thousands of years ago. Late in the Ice Age, humans journeyed across the Bering Land Bridge that joined Siberia to Alaska. They had gradually migrated across the land and southward into Mexico and beyond. Their descendants explored along the west coast of North America. As early as 1000 BC, they had covered nearly the entire continent. Over thousands of years, as they migrated across the continents, American Indians have developed a variety of languages and civilizations. They came from different tribes, such as in Europe, Asia, or Africa. When the Ice Age ended, the Native American...
Okay, and like this, practice as many times as necessary before we go with the reading. Okay, I encourage you to do the activities, to listen, to practice. They will help you a lot with the rest of the information we are about to do in the book and in the reading activities. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. This is my second video for today because I had a little sound problem. I just wanted to make sure that you guys listen to what I want you to do, but it is something important because you have the links in your house. You have the links already uploaded, and this is something you guys can do over there. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.